Hey everyone, are you a small business owner feeling overwhelmed by GST? If so, you're not alone. Let's dive into why GST can feel like a never-ending nightmare and explore some simple solutions to make it a whole lot easier for you. First off, let's talk about why GST is so stressful for small business owners. GST, or Goods and Services Tax, is a value-added tax levied on most goods and services sold for domestic consumption. It sounds simple, right? But in reality, it's anything but. For small business owners, keeping track of every transaction, filing regular GST returns, and ensuring that you're always compliant can feel like a full-time job, not to mention the constant fear of making a mistake and facing hefty penalties. It's like walking on a tightrope with no safety net. Now, you might be wondering, why is it so complicated? Well, the main issue is the lack of clarity and the abundance of red tape. The rules are often confusing and the paperwork is never-ending. Plus, the system is constantly changing, making it hard to keep up. So, what can be done to make GST less of a headache? Here are a few simple solutions that can help. Firstly, streamline the process. The government needs to simplify the GST filing process. This means reducing the number of forms, making the rules clearer, and using technology to automate as much as possible. Imagine being able to file your GST returns with just a few clicks. Secondly, provide better support. Small business owners often feel like they're on their own when it comes to GST. The government should offer more resources, such as helplines, online tutorials, and step-by-step guide. This would go a long way in reducing the stress and confusion. Thirdly, cut down on the red tape. The current system is bogged down by unnecessary regulations and requirements. By cutting through the bureaucracy, the government can make it easier for small businesses to comply with GST without getting tangled up in a web of rules. Lastly, encourage feedback from small business owners. Those who are on the ground dealing with GST every day have valuable insights that can help improve the system. By listening to their feedback and making necessary adjustments, the government can create a more user-friendly GST system. Remember, the goal is to make GST compliance as simple and stress-free as possible. After all, you should be focusing on growing your business, not drowning in paperwork. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by GST, know that there are solutions and that you're not alone. Let's keep pushing for a system that supports small businesses rather than hindering them. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for more tips and solutions for small business owners. Until next time, take care and keep hustling. Music fades out.